Dear students of class 9th, chapter 18 नेचुरल रीजन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इसमें केवल आपके लिए केवल 3 क्लाइमेटिक रीजन हैं। पहला इक्वेटोरियल रीजन, दूसरा ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट और तीसरा ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून। मैंने आपके लिए ये स्केच बना करके डाला है, इसको आप समझ सकते हैं। इक्वेटोरियल रीजन, इसका लोकेशन है, दे आर फाउंड बिटवीन 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 10 डिग्री साउथ इन साउथ अमेरिका, अफ्रीका एंड एशिया। Then the regions we have in South America, Amazon Basin, coastal lowlands between Guyana and Brazilian Island, coastal part of Colombia. अफ्रीका में है कोंगो बेसिन, द कोस्ट ऑफ गुआना, सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ नाइजीरिया। एशिया में इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया, जावा, पपुआ गुगुनिया, southern islands of Philippines. These are the areas in which equatorial region is found. Now we come to the climate, insolation, humidity, relative humidity remains high throughout the year, almost equal day and night, little seasonal variation, cloudiness and heavy rainfall. This is the climatic condition of equatorial region. They do not have any season because here we have 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Equator receives always the direct rays of the sun. Temperature is very high, 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Daily range of temperature about 8 degrees Celsius. Annual range of temperature is very low. Annual rainfall evenly distributed, 200 to 350 centimeter. Convectional type of rainfall is found. Some areas experience orographic rainfall. These forests are called rainforest because they are found in the heavy rainfall. These forests are called evergreen forest because they remain always green. Animal life is also full of different animals. Mammals such as elephants and jaguars, amphibians, reptiles, anaconda, one of the poisonous snake, and one of the largest snake is also found here, and wide variety of insects and birds. Natural vegetation, luxuriant vegetation, very thick vegetation is found. Even the air does not find to place to enter into the forest. So dense. They are called selvas in Amazon Basin. They have broad-leaved to transport the extra amount of water. Special species like lianos, climbers, epiphytes, parasitic plants are also common. And the trees are found ebony, mahogany, rosewood, heartwood, which provide us very hardwood. एक बार अगर इस लकड़ी से फर्नीचर बन जाए तो इट रिमेन्स फॉर एवर. इट इज नॉट ईटन बाई द इंसेक्ट्स. ह्यूमन एडॉप्टेशन, द पिग्मीज आर फाउंड हियर इन कॉन्गो बेसिन. Pygmies are short-statured people having 40 kg weight, black in complexion, and they are mainly hunters and gatherers. They live in the small families of 10 to 15. They do not occupy any settled life. So again, I request you, my dear students, that you can go through the chapter. It is there in your book. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Now I go to the further another climate, that is the tropical desert. Tropical desert location, western margins of the continents between 15 degree to 30 degree north, south in the tropical region. These are the hot deserts. There we have high range of temperature. Regions, Africa, Sahara, Arabia, Arabian Desert, Indian subcontinent, Thar, Southern Africa, Kalahari, Australia, Tropical Desert, South America, Atacama, and in parts of North America we have Mexico and Colombia. Climate of the hot deserts is always very hot and dry. Aridity, relative humidity is low, 60% in coastal region and 30% in interior regions. Sometimes it reaches to 10%. Animal life, camel is the main animal found in the animal deserts. It is the best example of adaptation. My dear students, the animals and climatic vegetation adopt itself as per the climatic condition. Tropical equatorial region में आप देखिए they have tall trees and broad leaves. Here the trees do not have the leaves or they have small leaves. Why they have small leaves? So that there is less transpiration of water. पेड़ पौधे भी पत्तियों के माध्यम से पानी को उत्सर्जित कर देते हैं. इस कारण से ये इन पेड़ पौधों पे पत्तियां नहीं होती. मेनली द कैक्टस, कांटेदार पेड़, इनका एडॉप्टेशन है. दे हैव लॉन्ग रूट्स टू टैप द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. दे हैव थॉर्न्स ओवर देयर बॉडी टू रेसिस्ट द हीट. देयर स्टेम इज वुडी एंड हार्ड टू रेसिस्ट द हीट. Scanty vegetation, mainly xerophytic plants. Cactus is common, acacia and date palm, and babool also. You might have seen in our region, babool also grows on the large scale. These regions receive rainfall less than 12 centimeter. Animal life, you can see a small population of both herbivorous and carnivorous. Camel only abundantly found. Snakes, lizards, mice, antelopes, rabbits, foxes, spiders, scorpions, centipedes, locusts, moths. These are the animal life. Mainly the camel is one of the main. They rear the sheep and goat also. Sometimes they rear camel. Camel is reared on the large scale. Camel is called the ship of the desert because camel is the animal which can live easily in the desert type of climate. Now we come to the climate, hot and dry, aridity, temperature. Temperature is high. Mean temperature of the hottest month between 30 to 35. Sometimes it reaches to 52 degrees Celsius. Jacobabad in Pakistan has recorded the highest temperature, and during the winter it comes to 1 degree Celsius. Churu in Rajasthan become the coldest place in India. Highest ever temperature of 58 degrees recorded. Nights are very cold. Rainfall is scanty, but sometimes in the deserts also we have the floods. Highly unreliable rainfall, sudden and continuous rainfall over small areas. Human adaptation, here we have Bushmen of Kalahari. अगर आप अपनी किताब में देखेंगे तो there are tribal people which are found here. Bushmen are found in Kalahari Desert. Bedouins are found in Sahara Desert. Egypt is one of the country here where we have the settled life, and the farmers, those who are found here, are called Falains. Egypt is the city. Egypt is the country which is known as the gift of river Nile. Nile flows through this country, and Nile never dries in the summer also, because Nile takes the birth from the equatorial region where it rains daily. Because of Nile, Egypt is one of the you can say country like our country. So here the tropical desert. Once again I request you that in your book you can go through the chapter. If you have any problem you can ask me. Next we have it a tropical monsoon. tropical monsoon climate is mainly found in Indian subcontinent. इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट के कंट्रीज आपके श्रीलंका, नेपाल, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, and some parts of China. We come to the location 5 degree to 30 degree north latitude of the equator. Human adaptation, densely populated. These are the densely populated region. You can take the example of our country, having the population more than 1 billion. Rich in agriculture, rice, jute, sugarcane is the main food crop. Wheat, millets, pulses, tobacco are food crops. Coffee, oil, seeds, rubber, and coconut are plantation crops. So you can say here that every type of is grown in the tropical monsoon type of climate. This is only the climate where we have 3 distinct seasons: summer, rain, and winter. Now we come to the region South and Southeast Asia, Southeast Africa, Central America, Westland, West Indies, Colombia, East of Brazil, North Australia, and the Indian subcontinent is major part. You can write down Indian subcontinent. Climate: hot summer, 3 seasons: hot, dry, rainy, and winter. Temperature 27 to 30 degrees Celsius in summer and in coastal areas, 35 to 38 degrees Celsius in interior. Winter 22 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius in coastal areas and 1560 to 18 degrees Celsius in interior. Rainfall is cyclonic and orographic. The western part of Western Ghats receive orographic rainfall. In India, again, Mawsynram is one of the wettest place near Cherrapunji in the world. Mawsynram, Cherrapunji is also found in northeast part of our country. Average annual rainfall is 1500 mm. Moisture from ocean. These are the tropical monsoon type of climate is developed because of the low pressure developed in northern part of India and high pressure is developed over the water bodies like Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So winds always move from high pressure to low pressure, and the winds, when they move from sea to land, they are called onshore winds. They have moisture with them and give rainfall to entire Indian subcontinent. Air pressure and wind: intensely heated northern hemisphere in summer, developing low pressure in the Central Asia and high pressure in southern hemisphere. Bitterly cold winter in Central Asia and high pressure region is created. In winter, sometimes we are saved from Himalayas when these winds from Siberia blow towards India. Vegetation, you can say every type of crop, tropical, every type of tree. We can say the thick vegetation is also found here in India. Cactus also are found in India, and there are certain important trees like sal, teak, bamboo, mahua, jamun, neem, sesam, sandalwood, cinchona. From cinchona we get the quinine for the treatment of malaria. Human adaptation: these are the thick populated countries of the world. Here main occupation of the people is agriculture. Is provide the Indian subcontinent, its economy depends on the agriculture, and agriculture depends on monsoon. If we have successful monsoon, then we have the successful agriculture. If the monsoon is failed, then the agriculture of our country is also failed and economy also affected. So sometimes it is said that India's economy is like a game in the hands of monsoon. So here in nutshell, I have told you these three climatic regions. Rest all climatic regions are cut by ICSE board. You have to learn only these 3 climatic regions. Go through these 3 climatic regions in your book. If you are coming to the school, you can ask me your doubts. I am teaching in the school also these chapters. If you have any doubt, you can ask me online, as well as you can ask me in the class also. Thank you, beta, and take care. Live long.